Good morning, everybody. So, in this video, we'll just talk about we'll do some practical videos on the match function. So, in this video, for one, let me zoom in and show you something. So, in this particular question, they're asking write the formula using the match function to determine the distance between Boston and then Chicago. So, we have this is the data, and each of these numbers here are the distances between the cities. So, distance between Boston and Chicago is supposed to be 983. So they asked us to use a formula to derive it, to bring it out. So what do? Let's use our match function. So first things first, you want to know where is the location of Boston. So you say match from bracket. What are you looking for? Looking for Boston. Under which column? You say this column. Close bracket comma. Then you're looking for exact match. Here, press 0. Close the bracket. Press enter. So you see it's giving the row number where Boston is, which is row number 2. Now let's check the column where Chicago is. You say is equals to match column open bracket. We're looking for Chicago. Chicago close bracket. We're looking for under which array. You say this. Select it. Then which type? Say 0. Exact match. So that's that. So then you now use your index formula. You say index bracket. What are we looking for? Which table? We'll select the table. Then which under which row? Row 2. Under which column? Column 4. Then press enter and boom, has given us our value 983. This is the distance between Boston and Chicago. That's that. So well, I guess we're done with that. I'll send this file to the Telegram group, my paid students. Send the file to the Telegram group. So please practice it. Don't do exactly what I've done. To help stick in your head. So that's that. So the next question we have okay. This one says okay, let me make it better. Let me see. It's okay this way. Okay. Yeah, okay. Just give me a minute, please. I want it to be legible enough so that we can be able to see it all together. So alright. So let me zoom in and show you what it is. So they said write a formula that uses the first transaction for which the total volume to date exceeds $10,000. So what they are saying is this: they said everything here is this table this file is a transaction, different transaction. So they are saying write a formula that I mean write a formula that use the first transaction that is above $10,000. So you're going to use the match function, but now you're going to be logical about it. So you say, remember I told you something about match function where you have less than and greater than and exact match. So that will be using here. So you say match and match from brackets. What are we looking for? $10,000. So you say 10,000 under which table? So you select your table. No, sorry. Write 10,000. Please don't put comma. Don't put comma. Yeah. Right, so you say you select your table. Then after you pick your see you can see you say 1 means less than, 0 means exact match, and -1 means greater than. Now the thing here is that you cannot use 1 because this you cannot use -1 because we're looking for greater than $10,000, but you cannot use -1 here. Why? Because this table is in ascending order. But remember I told you in the last video that for you to use the -1, the table must be in descending order, but you can see this table is in ascending order, so we cannot use -1. So if we cannot use -1, how then do we not get the the value above $10,000? So that's why I say you have to use logic here. So you say you use 1, which means less than, then you now close the bracket, then you now write plus 1. Say plus 1, right? How are you adding plus 1? The one will give you the immediately less than $10,000. So the plus one behind it is now going to increase it further, because after the one immediately under $10,000, the next thing is the one immediately above $10,000. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So let me just show you. So you press, okay, let's remove the plus one. Let me show you something. So if I press without plus one, you see it gives us row 9. So let's check for row 9. What is in row 9? You see row 9 is 8,833. But if we press plus one to give us 10, and what is under 10? You see 10 is 10,177, which means this under row 10 now we have above $10,000. So that's why you don't come here, you say plus one. So you add plus one to this. I don't know if I'm clear enough. Okay, that's that for that. So we'll solve that. So the next one on our list is this. Okay. So using the match function in a formula that use the match function in a formula that use the product ID code of the product with the largest unit sales. Okay, so largest unit sales means which one